real important is AI agents. These are the AI things that are really going to replace humans. People are already deploying them, and we all need to get used to them. So I recommend doing these projects. The first two are the easiest and most important ones to do. First, you make an Ubuntu Linux desktop virtual machine. If you've never made a virtual machine, this may be difficult. You may want me to help you. Let me know. But you get a virtual machine here. The reason I'm doing this is because this AI agent is very unsafe to use. If you put it on your native hardware and connect it to your real email and your real bank account and such, it's likely to get hacked and do bad things. So by putting it in a virtual machine, you can practice with it in a safe environment that doesn't have any of your real passwords or accounts in there. So you install Ubuntu, you get a desktop, then you just execute some commands to prepare your Ubuntu for use, and you get a flag here showing that you have your Ubuntu Linux machine ready to go. Once you do, you can do this one, and you just install this thing called OpenClaw, which is here. OpenClaw is the AI agent that everybody is using. It's all the rage now, and it'll automatically install it, although all right, you have to answer a bunch of questions to install it, and then it'll install, and then at the end I got an error message. I had to work around it, but anyway, you answer all these questions, and then I got a problem here because of the way I built that machine. It wasn't exactly what I expected, but you can get around it by doing these commands and then OpenClaw Gateway. And once you've got it installed, you can open a web page that will control your AI agent, but it doesn't have a large language model to use yet. So to connect it to a large language model to do the thinking, then you insert a token to authorize it, and then you install this thing called Ollama. Which right now, if you go to chat, it can't reach the model, Ollama demo. And so you have to install Ollama locally, which is just a matter of running another command. And then you choose a model, and the model to choose is this one, Minimax M2.5 Cloud. This is a model that is free to use on the web. So your data will be sent up to a public large language model, which is not a very safe thing to do either, but we're only doing this for testing. And then it will be processed in the cloud. So when you're done, you now have, connect your device here, and you will end up with this. This is the goal of all this. You have an agent, and your agent uses this on this cloud server, so now you can control your computer with ordinary English commands. You do not need to know the right commands to execute programs on your computer anymore. So I can say, what operating system is this computer using? And it will figure it out. And it's going to do that by figuring out what instruction to execute and executing that instruction on a shell. I don't have to know what command would reveal that information. And you can do it. The sky's the limit now. People are using this thing to run businesses, to make restaurant reservations, to run social networking. There are people writing thousands of what's called skills, little prompts that get this agent to do various things. It could fetch your email every 5 minutes, and every time you get an email that's from a customer, it would send an automatic message to that customer saying, here, I'm your AI, here to help you, here's the help page or something. You could connect it to a telephone and have it call your customers and offer them a new product or tell them they're late on their payments or something like that. And that's what the AI agents from Salesforce do. So we all need to get used to these things. These are the AI agents. This is what everyone's going to expect you to know how to use in the modern world, and we should start using them and getting used to them. So I highly recommend doing these extra credit agent projects. This is probably more important than Python, actually, for your future. So I recommend checking it out, and I'm planning to write more of these. All right, that's what I wanted to show you. I'm going to stop.